Are you tired of stagnant revenue and looking for a new way to grow your home inspection business? Look no further than the 203K Discovery Days virtual 2-day event, February 25th and 26th. This event is your secret weapon to keeping your revenue generating. You'll learn about the FHA 203K and other rehab loan programs and how offering 203K consulting services can open up a new stream of business for you as a home inspector. You'll hear from industry experts, network with other professionals, and gain valuable insights on how to leverage rehab loan programs to close more deals and increase your revenue. The conference is live and virtual, so you can attend from the comfort of your own home or office. Don't miss out on this opportunity to expand your knowledge, grow your business, and beat the coming recession. This is a secret home inspection business strategy you need to keep the renovating generated. Register now for the 203K Discovery Days virtual 2-day event and take the first step to growing your business.